All rise. Judge Bundaberg Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I need some money, Judge.
I do too. So what does that have to do with me?
You know, I got 5 kids. I'm not getting paid.
Okay.
All rise. Judge Bund presiding. The courtroom is now in session for case number JVD 1051, the Casey case. As everyone settles in, Judge Bund addresses Mr. Casey. All right, Mr. Casey, you've brought this matter before the court. What's the issue today? Without hesitation, Mr. Casey responds, Judge, I need financial help. The judge chuckles lightly, replying, Don't we all? But tell me, how does this involve the case at hand? Mr. Casey, a father of 5, is requesting child support from the mother of his children. He claims he's been the primary caregiver and is struggling to manage the responsibilities on his own. As the hearing unfolds, Judge Bund begins to spot gaps and contradictions in Mr. Casey's story, raising doubts about his version of events. What starts as a straightforward plea for help soon uncovers deeper questions about co-parenting, truthfulness, and what it really means to step up for your children. This case turns into a powerful look at the real-life struggles of single parenthood and why honesty in court is more important than ever.
You want to get paid for raising your own kids?
If I got to raise them by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Let me help you out.
Yeah,
so you want some child support for the 5 kids you're raising by yourself?
No Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay,
yeah.
Got you.
Because I'm a good person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
As good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
you know?
She did.
Like that movie, she got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, you know, that you want to do with placing her on child support.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't you have what doesn't like that default stuff?
Yeah, you can do a default. Definitely, she was served. So yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Can I ask for a motion for discovery?
Mr. Casey takes the stand and confidently states he's been caring for his 5 children on his own. He tells the court he's seeking financial support from the children's mother, who he says was properly served with court papers but failed to appear. Judge Bund acknowledges that since the mother was legally notified and didn't show, the court can proceed with a default judgment. However, there's a catch. The judge still needs accurate details about the mother's income to determine a fair child support amount. When asked about her earnings, Mr. Casey becomes noticeably unsure. He tosses out several different income figures, none of which seem consistent. This inconsistency immediately raises concern for the judge, who now questions the credibility of Mr. Casey's claims and whether all the facts are truly being laid out.
Mr. Casey?
Yes, Judge.
Do you want me to help you or not? Okay.
I do. Yes, Judge. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So,
yes, Your Honor.
Let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45.
Okay.
47.
Is it 45 or 47?
Probably about 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay, so which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
All of them. Sometimes you get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes you get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more time, and I'm not going to ask again because my patients are wearing very thin. How much money does the mother of your children make?
Your patients are wearing thin or is?
Tension thickens in the courtroom as Judge Vaughn's patience wears dangerously thin. Mr. Casey, visibly flustered, tries to defend his case but fumbles through uncertain guesses about the mother's income. No paperwork, no verified numbers, just a string of shaky assumptions. Judge Vaughn's expression hardens. She leans forward, her voice slicing through the silence like a razor. You want this court to order child support, but you haven't brought a single solid number. No documents, no proof, just vague claims. Her frustration is unmistakable. This isn't a place for guesswork. This is a courtroom. And in here, facts matter. Despite Mr. Casey's desperate plea for assistance, the judge isn't moved. With a stern, unyielding tone, she brings the gavel down. Case dismissed. Come back when you're prepared, with evidence, not excuses. Before wrapping up, Judge Vaughn delivers a sharp warning. If you want real legal results, come with real information. Be honest, be ready, or don't come at all. This wasn't just a loss, it was a wake-up call. In Judge Vaughn's courtroom, truth isn't optional. It's the only thing that holds weight.
Look, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm sorry.
well, you know what? I
Judge,
am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day, and
sorry,
you came in here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me, and I work hard. And
you know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder going back to refile this case because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income, and I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful. Yeah. So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to
Thank you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're going to do it, though? All right, that's cool.
The scene takes a sharp turn, shifting from courtroom drama to a powerful, eye-opening lesson, straight from Judge Vonda herself. With calm authority and no-nonsense delivery, she breaks down a critical concept that too many people ignore until it's far too late: default judgments. She lays it out plainly. In Texas, if you're served with court papers and don't show up, you've basically forfeited your side of the story. No defense, no argument, just an automatic win for the other party. But Judge Vonda doesn't stop at the surface. She dives deeper into the heart of the matter, the importance of honesty and accuracy in court, especially when it comes to income. If you lie, exaggerate, or downplay your earnings, you're not just trying to cheat the system. You're putting yourself in serious legal jeopardy, she warns. This isn't just a courtroom moment, it's a full-on reality check. Judge Vonda lifts the curtain on how the legal system really works, offering a rare, behind-the-scenes look at what it takes to win a case the right way. For anyone considering child support, whether to request it or avoid it, this segment drops the unfiltered truth. In the eyes of the law, only facts, preparation, and integrity matter. Everything else, tossed out with the case.
Hey guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place Mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back, and then at that time hopefully he has financial income information on.
As the gavel comes down and the case officially wraps, the video doesn't just fade out. It delivers one final blow that sticks. Judge Vonda B. leans forward, locking eyes with the camera as she drops a message that's impossible to ignore. If you want to win in court, there's no replacement for honesty and preparation. That's it. No shortcuts, no tricks, just the truth. This case wasn't just about legal drama. It was a real-life reminder that what you bring into the courtroom, or fail to bring, can decide everything. Then comes the call to action, bold and straight to the point. Hit that subscribe button if you're here for real courtroom stories, unfiltered legal moments, and lessons you can actually use. Whether you're fighting your own battle or just watching it unfold, this channel puts you in the front row of justice in motion. Because in Judge Vonda's world, being prepared isn't just a good idea, it's the bare minimum.